And here's our new storage compartment underneath the seat of the Polaris. And if this looks like a 5-gallon bucket, that's because it's a 5-gallon bucket. It just so happens that a 5-gallon bucket fits perfectly in between the rails underneath the seat of a Polaris. You've got a metal rail here, a metal rail here on the side, but the back is plastic. So what I did was I just took a little piece of angle aluminum and put it across the side rails to give this more support. And then after that, just drill 3 holes, use metal self-tapping screws and washers, to mount the bucket, and voila, you have 5 gallons of storage for all those things you need on the trail that you don't want to get wet, and you want to have with you all the time. So you can put some batteries, gloves, a small saw, toe straps, whatever you need. Keeps it there. It keeps it dry. The seat folds down right on top of it, so it keeps the dust and the debris out of it. You can see there's mud all over the inside of the Polaris, but it's not in the bucket. It works real well, and for $3.59.